Hi there, Aaron Montgomery with our Success Group here. I wanted to quickly show you how to add a clickable link on a Google Doc file. So there's a couple different ways we can do this, but first we want to highlight the word that we want to make a clickable link. And once we highlight that, we can then go to Insert and Link. And then we can find whatever our link is, we can copy that, and then go back and paste it in here. Your most recent paste will be right here, and you can select that, and then you can hit apply. So that's way number one. The second way, which you probably saw in the pull down there, is again, highlight what we want to highlight. Once it is already highlighted, you can edit it here, or we can copy what that link is, or we can remove the link. So let's start with there. But then again, highlighting what we want here, if we hit the Control and K button on a PC computer, that will allow you to also do the exact same thing. And then again, we're going to put the link that we want in there and hit apply. Hopefully that was helpful. Thanks and have a great day.